Plant therapy customers care for us and they care for each other. They are an inspiration and a strength to us and the communities in which they live. So, Pete, I just had a question for you. It's 2022. What do you plan to do?
Well, I think travel is probably the main thing on my mind.
I am hoping to get out more and getting out and doing more hiking.
What am I going to do? I'm going to get out and travel.
Branching out into the essential oil world, considering certification. So I think this might be the year for me to really dive in.
We have a candle coming out called Encouragement with mint as the main one of the ingredients. So I'm going to send that to you to encourage you to be able to get out and do some of the stuff you want to do this year.
Oh, I need encouragement.
You do.
We all do.
need encouragement. Well, thank you so much.
Great talking to you. Yeah, nice to see you. And Happy New Year's.